Hi guys, so today you're going to watch a short video of some super cute kids talking about some of their fears. So as you're watching the video, you have a few things to think about. First of all, I want you to really pay attention to how those kids are speaking. Would you consider them to match the characteristics of our strong speakers? So think about their body language, think about their volume as you're watching them. You're going to take some notes as you're watching so you can think about this chart, our strong listener and strong speaker chart. Jot down a few things that you notice as you watch those kiddos. Then you're going to find a few things that you agree with that you hear, a couple of things that you would disagree with, and you're going to try to make a connection. So you're going to connect with something a couple of those kids say. Again, they're talking about their fears. And then the last question is a little bit tricky, so I want to explain it. It says, how do effective discussions deepen understanding? So think about our chart. If you're speaking and you can tell that the person listening isn't being a great listener, they're not really looking at you, maybe their body language, you can tell they're not really paying attention, they're not asking any questions, they're not agreeing or disagreeing with you. What kind of discussion, how would you consider that discussion? Do you think that's a really great discussion? And if you're trying to explain something to a person and they're showing those characteristics, do you think they're going to understand what it was that you were trying to explain to them? So how do effective discussions deepen understanding? So an effective discussion would mean that I'm being a strong listener if I'm the listener, or I'm being a strong speaker if my role is the speaker, or when my role is the speaker, because an effective discussion really goes back and forth. I'm going to talk a little bit and you're going to talk a little bit. So how do effective discussions deepen understanding?